how to show or hide password characters briefly as you type them on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down, then tap on more security settings. Then scroll down and in here tap on make passwords visible. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. This will allow the phone to show password characters briefly as you type them. To switch it off, it will hide the password. So here I've switched it on. And so I'm going to type in the password for my Facebook account. As soon as I type, you can see the character will be briefly shown. So that is the feature right there when you choose to show it. If we hide it, then as you type, it will be hidden. Now you can see it still is trying to show the password as I type right here. This happens sometimes. You may need to reset the web page, or you need to close the app and reopen it again. And then you can see after that, as you type, it will not show the password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any issues, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.